Well, you know what's up. Whenever you see me on your screen, you know whenever you see the Olamide of GStream TV on your screen, you know it's about to go down on your number one favorite celebrity show with your number one celebrity host, Celebrity Facts with the Olamide on GStream TV. You know, where we gist you on your celebrities. We tell you about them, their lifestyle, their childhood. Well, don't just touch the dial. Before I proceed, a very big shout out to all our subscribers, fans, viewers all over the world. You are the real MVP. And if you are new here on the channel, just click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it to get notified whenever we drop new tantalizing content. Yes. So on Celebrity Facts, it's been a while, but now I'm back and better for you guys for your enjoyment and happiness. Well, on Celebrity Facts today, I'll be telling you about one of your celebrities. This guy has gone far and wide. Well, let me just gist you. He's a popular Yoruba actor. He just got into Nollywood English. He's a singer. He's also a movie producer. He owns an academy. He owns a production house. This guy, okay, let me give you in full. This guy is based in Abeokuta. He's from Ekiti State. If you still don't know him, well, he is Odunlade Adekola. Odunlade Adekola is one of the most popular Yoruba actors. I can say he's one of the richest in the Nigerian Nollywood Yoruba. He has got a whole lot of endorsement, and this guy is very, very fantastic. He's popular for his photographed memes on the internet. Well, let me not drag that too far. Now let's delve into the lifestyle of Odunlade Adekola, his childhood, his academic life, and his career life. Now let's start. Odunlade Adekola was born on the 31st of December, year 1976 in Abeokuta. He was born and brought up in Abeokuta, although he is from Otun in Ekiti State. Odunlade Adekola's father and mother are from Otun, Ekiti State. Meanwhile, Odunlade Adekola went to St. John's Primary School before he proceeded to St. Peter's College in Abeokuta, where he had his West African examination certificate in St. Peter's College, Abeokuta. Then he proceeded to the Moshood Abiola Polytechnic, Abeokuta also, where he bagged a national diploma. Well, the course he bagged the national diploma in was never revealed. But in 2018, Odunlade Adekola bagged the bachelor's degree in business administration from the University of Lagos. Wow. So Odunlade Adekola is a degree owner from the University of Lagos, the Department of Business Administration. Like I said, Odunlade Adekola was born on the 31st of December, year 1976, to a Christian family, the family of Pa and Mrs. Odunlade. Well, Odunlade Adekola's father was a pastor, his mother was a deaconess at Christ Apostolic Church in Lafenwa, Abeokuta. Now, let's talk about Odunlade Adekola's, his career. Odunlade Adekola started his career as an actor at a very early stage. He started in church. He started acting at CAC in Lafenwa, Ogun State, Abeokuta, Ogun State. He started acting there. So Odunlade Adekola, but in 1996, his friend Tunde introduced him to theater and stage acting. And gradually, they saw the talent in Odunlade Adekola and they imbibed Odunlade Adekola. They took him in to be one of the actors. But in 1998, he joined the ANTP, the Association of Nigerian Theatre Arts Practitioners. Well, in 1999, he took part in some movies produced by Mr. Latin, that is Bolaji Amuson. He took part in these movies, and well, Odunlade Adekola since then has been tantalizing. But until 2003, when he featured in Alasari's Gominowa, in Gominowa in 2003, and since then, Gominowa shot Odunlade Adekola into limelight, and since then, Odunlade Adekola has been a very fantastic actor in the Nigerian movie industry. We can say Alasari was Odunlade Adekola's mentor in the Nigerian Yoruba movie industry. This guy took him in, and this guy built Odunlade Adekola. So far, so good. Odunlade Adekola has featured in over 100 Nigerian Nollywood movies. Examples include Sunday Dagboru, Monday Omo Adigbo, and lots more. Odunlade Adekola has produced and directed a whole lot of movies. Odunlade Adekola, at the same time, being an actor, a singer, a movie producer, he is also an entrepreneur. He is the CEO of the Odunlade Adekola Film Production. He is also the CEO of Odunlade Adekola Film Academy. Well, he has been thriving in the Nigerian movie industry. He has featured in both Nollywood Yoruba and Nollywood English movies. He could be someone that can be described as a role model to up-and-coming actors and actresses in the Nigerian Nollywood movies industry. This guy has carved a very big name for himself. A very big name for himself. Odunlade Adekola has bagged a whole lot of endorsement deals. For example, he is currently the ambassador to Globacom Telecommunications, one of the major telecommunication companies in Nigeria. I can say one of the leading telecommunication companies in Nigeria, Globacom Telecoms. He is also a brand ambassador to one of the biggest brewery companies in Nigeria, that is Goldberg. He's an ambassador to Goldberg, and he's an ambassador to one of the biggest real estate companies in Nigeria, that is the Revolution Plus Estate Management. This guy, Odunlade Adekola, is a big fish in the Nigerian movie industry. Well, Odunlade Adekola is married to Mrs. Ruth Adekola. He's married to Mrs. Ruth Adekola, and their union is blessed with 4 children. So Odunlade Adekola has been, bouncing on the bed, and the marriage is blessed with 4 children. Yes, Odunlade Adekola has, bagged a whole lot of awards. Let's not forget that in 2015, Odunlade Adekola, he ventured fully into music, and he has produced some kind of song, Eminerekon, and other songs. Odunlade Adekola is a talented songwriter, is a talented scriptwriter. He is also a director. He's also a director. He's a producer. This guy is so talented. He is also a screenwriter. He writes his song by himself. Like, this guy is just extraordinary in the Nigerian movie industry. His talent could be compared to none. He is popular for comedies. He's popular for comedies. We could describe him as a dynamic actor. He could, star as a king in some movies. Meanwhile, he could be a comic act in some movies. The perfect combination he has ever had is his combination with Sonyeri. Olaniyi Afonja Sonyeri. His combination with Olaniyi Afonja Sonyeri has always been a very fantastic combo. Like, the two of them, Opa, Milik Meji, all those kind of movies. Odunlade Adekola, he is always outstanding in movies that pertains to comedy. Well, he has counterparts like Femi Adebayo in the Nigerian movie industry. Femi Adebayo is also one of his counterparts. This guy is also good. The likes of Muyiwa Ademola too. Their combination are always good. Like, Muyiwa Ademola and Odunlade Adekola, they've always been good cast in movies. Like I said, Odunlade Adekola has bagged a whole lot of awards. Okay, now let's delve into his awards. In 2014, Odunlade Adekola was the African Movie Academy Award. He was the best actor. He was the best actor. I believe in 2018 also, he grabbed the award of the best actor at the AMVCA Awards. This guy is just, I can't name the awards Odunlade Adekola he has bagged. He has bagged the City People Award, the Yoruba Movie Academy Award, and a whole lot of other awards that could not be mentioned on here. He has bagged other African awards too. This guy is a very fantastic act in the Nigerian movie industry. Earlier this year, rumor added that Odunlade Adekola would become a king of his hometown, Otun Ekiti State, but this rumor was debunked, although Odunlade Adekola showed interest in becoming the king of Otun Ekiti, but the kingmaker has made it known to him that it's not the turn of his family to become the king. Odunlade Adekola's family is one of the 5 royal homes in Otun Ekiti State, but it's not the time for Odunlade Adekola to become the king of Otun Ekiti. Well, the fact that Odunlade Adekola showed interest in becoming the king of Otun Ekiti has become a concern for his viewers, because his viewers, they believe they will still want to see him on the screen, on the big screen, as one of the favorite actors. You know, for Odunlade Adekola to become the king of Auto Ekiti, this would put a pause to his career. This will put a pause to his career, and it might even be the end of Odunlade Adekola's career. Meanwhile, his fans still want to continue seeing him on the big screen, on stage also. Now, let me take you back in time. Like I said earlier, Odunlade Adekola was born on the 31st of December, year 1976. If you pay a very big attention to that, Odunlade Adekola should be 44 years now. He was born in 1976. He ventured into movies in the year 1996, but he got into the Association of Nigerian Theatre Arts Practitioners in 1998. The movie that took him to limelight was Gominowa, which was produced by Alasari in 2003. In 2014, he got the Best Actor at the African Movie Academy Awards. He's one of the ambassadors to Globacom Telecommunications. He's also an ambassador to Goldberg. He's also an ambassador to Revolution Plus Estate Management. Odunlade Adekola, apart from being a songwriter, apart from being an actor, a producer, a director, he's also a songwriter and a singer. He's also the CEO and the founder of the Odunlade Adekola Film Production Company. Well, Odunlade Adekola is a very big name in the Nigerian movie industry, because you can't talk about big actors in Nollywood Yoruba without talking about Odunlade Adekola. Odunlade Adekola, like I said, is the husband to Ruth Adekola and also the father of 4. Well, I believe you all know some facts about Odunlade Adekola now. He's your favorite actor. Do well to, put your suggestions and your comments in the comment box as we attend to them all. And if you've not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I remain your favorite host, the Olamide of GistTube TV. Follow me on all social media at the Olamide_. Till next time, I love you.